Check out this French drain we're installing. There are some catch basins up there, as well as downspout connections that go through a solid line through here. But this is a burrito-wrapped French drain, and we have our stone. We have it wrapped up here. You see we have about 4 inches, maybe a little bit more of sand on top where the grass is going to grow. Water will just go through very easily through there, act as a pre-filter, not to clog the fabric on top. So grass will grow its roots, but then also water's going to flow right through our fabric to our French drain, all the stone. And you can see just how big this French drain is. We actually have 3. Here we have 3 perforated pipes. These are just dummy pipes, and this is the main French drain down here. Here's our solid pipe. It's a double wall pipe. The flow has about double the flow over a single wall, and we still have to put more rock in here. I just wanted to show you this, and then you see where these come together. This is our surface water system. It's our French drain system, and it's going to come out here. It runs out and it goes underneath the sidewalk. We ran right underneath that sidewalk, and we came out here, our pop-up French drain man pop-up right here. Let's head onto the road.